Hello everyone, this is Raghavan Rajan here. Today we are going to see how we can actually create a visual language navbar in Power Apps portal. So right now I am in a Power Apps portal and I logged in with my Azure AD account. So you can see on my navbar there are text which has been associated with each navigation. So instead of showing this text, we can actually display an icon and it will be really cool. I'll show you tips and tricks. The first step is right click on this portal and then click on inspect and go to the network tab. And by default, I think it will be in the all filter. So all you need to do is press the F5 on your keyboard. So once it is loaded, you can come here to the CSS filter and then the CSS which we are looking for, I think it is currently not loaded. So let's press the F5 again. So here we are. So the CSS file which we are looking for is glyph icons font awesome migrate min.css. So all I'm going to do is click on this file, and you can see this is a combination of font awesome along with the bootstrap, which is glyph icons. So these are the classes which is already been loaded into the portal. Say for instance, if you want to display a large icon, so you can use this class. And if you want a 2x size, you can use this class. And similarly, if you scroll down, there are like various other things you can play around, like rotating the icon. And also if you want to display a stack icon, or maybe a search icon, or maybe a music icon, or you can go around with all lot of different classes here. So let's take some example and actually work it out. So right now I'm in the portal, and make sure you have administrator web role. So once you have a administrator web role, you will see this front end editor. So all you need to do is, say for instance, if you want to display a home icon instead of the home text, click on the edit and then click on edit this link. So in the image URL, all we are going to do is .fa, which is a prefix, which is a font awesome, and then followed by the class which we have seen here. So if you want to display a home icon, I'm searching for home, so you can see for home, and then make sure you display this. You can check this display image only icon, display image only checkbox, and then click on save and hit save button. So once you've done that, you can see how cool it is. Now we are displaying a home icon. Let's see one more example. So if you want to display a bigger icon rather than a small one, so go here and then add a 2x class. So similarly, you can play around with the different classes and click save. Instantly, you can see there is a increase in the size. Similarly, like let's take one more example. So if you want to display a gear icon instead of this admin, so you click on the edit and then click on edit this link, and I have a gear icon which I want to display, and then make sure you check this display image only checkbox and click save. Once you hit save button, you can see icon which has been changed to a visual language navbar. Similarly, you can play around with a whole lot of different cool things. So if you want to see more cool tips and tricks related to Power Apps portal, please consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you for listening.